A shocking tragedy has left the pageant world and the nation in mourning. What really happened to former Miss Universe Jamaica finalist Tyra Spaulding? Stay tuned, because this story is deeper than headline. On the evening of September 23, 2025, Jamaica was shaken by heartbreaking news. The passing of 26-year-old accountant and former Miss Universe Jamaica finalist, Tyra Spaulding. Reports say she was discovered at her home in Kingston, found hanging from her bed frame with a pink curtain tied around her neck. Authorities are treating the case as a suspected suicide while awaiting the autopsy results. Tyra was known not just for her beauty and grace on the pageant stage, but also for her intelligence, vibrant spirit, and professional accomplishments. She competed as a finalist in the 2023 Miss Universe Jamaica competition, where she inspired many with her elegance and drive. Friends and colleagues described her as radiant and ambitious, while the Miss Universe Jamaica organization paid tribute, calling her a shining light whose loss is deeply painful. In the weeks before her passing, Tyra spoke openly about her struggles with mental health, warning how cries for help are often overlooked until it is too late. Her candid words now echo with a tragic finality, reminding us of the silent battles so many face behind closed doors. Her story has sparked a wider conversation about the pressures of public life, the importance of compassion, and the urgent need for greater mental health awareness. As we mourn her loss, let us remember Tyra for the life she lived, and let her legacy be a call to check on those around us, to listen more closely, and to treat vulnerability as a cry for connection, not weakness. If you or someone you know is struggling, please reach out. In Jamaica, you can call 888-NEW, Life 6395433 for support. This is Michy Dex, bringing you the stories that matter most. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Until next time, stay safe, stay aware, and stay connected.